and welcome to Conway 4946 CSX Mine here. And today, this is a Spin Master Black High Education. From Spin Master. I made the Jurassic Spin Master, but I have a Gravedigger Legend. I made Dragon Mod. I made the Dragon, but I have a green one. I made this adventure. I have a lot of adventures. I made a Stainer. I made a Blue Thunder Spin Master, but I have a Blue Thunder's a Hot Wheels, but I have a Ice Blue Thunder and Spin Master. I have a regular one with storm damage, but I made a train Gravedigger, but I have a regular Gravediggers. So here's Black Higher Education. And here it is. He has a stop sign. He has yellow rims, or tires. He has a black body and a black chassis. That's pretty awesome. So I can compare the yellow bus, school bus, cool bus. This is a Hot Wheels one, but the regular Spin Master Higher Education yellow. But there's a black version of Higher Education in Spin Master. Pretty awesome. And thanks for watching. I will see you next time.